Okay, so now texturing the eye. Welcome to this lecture. Select the let's start with the iris. So I'm gonna select the iris, hide the eyeball and cornea, and Shift H. You're gonna be using our UVs to do this. I'm gonna go to the texture. Let's start with your texture paint. Where's this guy now? Hello, there you are. He's so tiny. Kill. So right now we have this pink default texture because we don't have a material. Come to the no textures, nothing. So we need to create a texture map. So come here, plus we doing a base color, iris base color. Sounds right with me. 1K sounds perfect always. Also, and then we don't need an alpha. We can just make it black and say okay. Now we have a black texture. Over here it's not showing because we need to come over here and say iris black. Now this is the texture. If I paint white, it should update over here also. So what we're gonna do? We're just gonna be using a texture map stencil. So what you need for this, press N for the tool, go down to texture, create a new texture. Once you've done this, go to the texture palette to the side and click open, because we already have what should I say, the textures which I will supply for you guys in your projects file. So just be sure to check that out. Cool. Once you imported your iris texture, go down over here, change this from tile to stencil. Hey, to stencil. Right now it's not picking up the texture. I don't know why. Hey, using tiles, no single image. I don't know why. Can't load image. I have no idea why. Let me check that out. Let me just okay, let's go back to image, delete this, click open. Hey, where are you now? Settings open, and then I'm just locating our iris image, which doesn't want to load. There you go. Now it's loaded. And then select image aspect ratio. So that's right. I'm just gonna drag this up this side again because we're gonna be using this side. If you right click on your mouse, you can move this, and then if you right click and shift, you can scale it up right about here. Now we can start painting. You can see it updating live over here, which is very cool. Push F to increase the brush size, so this won't take forever. You can see it's painting our texture very easily. Right now it's not looking nice because we need to adjust our UVs. If I go to the UV editor, and so here's our iris object, which this side, just take faces and grow them. This is our iris, so this texture should be around there. So what I'll do, probably press S to scale this up, grow it, press S to scale, and then grow, press S to scale, something like that. You can change this to shading so you can see the textures, which might lag your system. You can see now that these are working very fine. You can see there's our iris. If I scale over here, you can see it should update live on the viewport there. So some over here. This seems fine with me. Go back to texture paint and close the texture. Now we have textured our iris. If I exit this and go to layout, Ctrl S, go to shading, viewport shading, so you can see the color maps. Right click, shade smooth. So here's our iris for our creature. Oh yeah, nothing too fancy. And so the outer layer will be just black. So we'll just make it dark brown or black. So that will be an easy fix. Now again, thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next one.